you ever found yourself asking, is video actually right for me? We see all the benefits and hear all the advice online. We see everybody else doing it, but it also looks like a lot of work, right? Not just practically, but also overcoming the cringe of being on camera. If this is you, then I'm running a free Is Video Right For You workshop webinar to help you finally decide one way or the other, yes or no to video. This isn't about convincing you to do video, but rather giving you the headspace to work out if and how it could work, and if not, to understand what would be a better option for you. We'll explore strategic options and opportunities with video and how it's about so much more than just social media. So even if you don't have or want to build a big online following, you can use it to strengthen and reinforce your existing marketing and in-person relationships. We'll then look at how you actually make videos, what skills are needed, how much time it takes, how much commitment you'll need, and how you can make your own videos without worrying about looking unprofessional. We'll also explore the very common challenge of feeling nervous, anxious, or generally just cringe about being on camera, and how instead you can be authentic and show up as well on camera as you do in person, without having to spend hours and hours practicing. So if you'd like the headspace to finally and confidently make that decision one way or the other about video, join my short online workshop webinar, and together we can decide if video is right for you.